In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find what to sell on Etsy desktop. We'll use Etsy's built-in search, categories, and filters to surface proven product ideas from trusted shops. Start by opening Etsy on your desktop. On the home page, you'll see the big search for anything bar at the top. If you already have a niche in mind, type a broad term there. Things like wedding favors or dog accessories work well so you can see the overall landscape. If you're still exploring, hover over or click categories instead. Browsing categories is great for discovering trends you might not think to search for. Once you're inside a category that fits your interests, narrow the results to what matters. Look for the Sort By menu, usually near the top right of the results. Open it and choose Top Customer Reviews. This brings listings with strong, consistent feedback to the front, helping you focus on items buyers already love, not just what's heavily advertised. Next, open all filters to refine even further. In the Filters panel, turn on Etsy's Pick to highlight items curated by Etsy editors, and switch on Star Seller to prioritize shops with excellent shipping, communication, and ratings. These two filters together help you separate dependable, high-quality offerings from the rest. Click Apply to lock in your choices and refresh the results. Now you're viewing products that have great reviews, editorial endorsements, and reliable sellers, all strong signals of demand and quality. As you scan the page, pay attention to recurring styles, common materials, typical price points, and how items are photographed or bundled. Notice seasonal keywords and personalization options that appear again and again. These patterns point to what customers are actively seeking. Using this simple workflow homepage, search your categories, sort by top customer reviews, then filter by Etsy's Pick and Star Seller, you'll quickly build a clear picture of what sells on Etsy. Shortlist the ideas that align with your skills and margins, and keep notes on pricing and positioning that successful listings share. That's it. Clean, efficient research, right from the Etsy desktop.